Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. In next few weeks I will post the updates of some recently styled trees. I'm sure that you all remember this one, old mighty ancient Mugo pine. I styled it 6 months ago and surprisingly it already needs a rewiring. It reacted so well that the wire and the raffia started to cut into the bark already. So I remove all the raffia, which is hard sometimes from obvious reasons, and I also cut almost all the wire off the tree. The only area I didn't cut the wire off is this bottom branch where the growth wasn't so strong as on the top, as we can expect, and the wire didn't cut into the bark. And that leads me to the question I'm getting all the time: how long the wire must stay on the tree? Well, there is no easy answer because it depends on so many things, on the species, on the timing when the tree was wired, then also it's different from tree to tree, the same species. I have some few other Mugo pines that were wired almost exactly at the same time as this one, but they don't need rewiring yet. So the wire stays on the tree as long as possible, up to the moment when the wire starts to cut into the bark. Even though the styling was done just 6 months ago, the branches are holding surprisingly well, and there will be no need for a big wire, so I will slowly concentrate on the details on this tree. But first let's do the rewiring. I will start with this branch where I kept the wire on. I will just remove some old needles and style shape the branch in detail. In this rainy late summer morning, I'm really grateful to all of you who already clicked the thanks button below. Thank you for supporting our channel. And I'm sure that you all wondering how the students' Mugo turned out. Let us see. So this was the result of the Micha's work, just great. But now is the time to continue the work on this beast. But before that, I just want to talk about the scars. If this would be the broadleaf tree, I would say that the tree is ruined, but because this is the conifer, the scars will disappear in a few months. Even more, there is a benefit because of the scars, because the wire stayed on the tree so long, the branches are now holding the position and there is no need to use the big wire again. Just 6 months after first styling, I rewired this incredible Mugo pine. Now on the tree is about 40% less wire than before, which is incredible. The main branches are holding and the deadwood is starting to show the patina. And now I'm asking for help. I am looking for the pot for this tree. It must be at least 70 centimeters wide. I prefer square one, so 70 by 70 centimeters. And if you have one or you know where to buy it, just please leave the comment below. And with this we reached the end of the video. Please subscribe, let us reach the 10,000 subscribers until the end of this year. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.